Hey everyone, it's me Damian and welcome back to the channel. I want to apologize, I've not made a video in like over 2 months. I was in Bulgaria and in the last video I mentioned I would, upload consistently, but I just decided, enjoy summer and then didn't upload anything, but came back 2 days ago and been working hard on the Mustang, and I'm going to show you what I've been up to. As you can see by the title of the video, I've been restoring the carpet, so I'm going to show at the end of the video. I'll actually put some before and after photos so you can see what the carpet would look like and what it looks now. So I'll just show you. So yeah, basically I'll show you what I've been up to right now. So as we can see, just earlier today I took out the carpet with my father. Yeah, cleaned whatever dust there was and everything. The interior is finally done, like within the next day, so that's good. So as we can see, here is the carpet, the after result of just finished painting about half an hour ago. Used 3 spray cans of the Duplicolor, whatever it's called. It's vinyl and fabric. This is what I used. Came out really good. Definitely worth the 25 bucks I spent on the paint. The carpet looks just like new. I mean, the main reason I decided to paint it was because there were a number of permanent stains in areas like over there. So I decided to paint it because, I just want to make it look good, Looks really good now, and just gonna wait for it to dry now. And gonna install it back in the car tomorrow morning, and yeah, just sprayed it evenly. I think I did 3 layers, so 1 can was enough for 1 layer of the whole thing. So yeah, definitely worth it. And yeah, it is a darker color, but whenever you're painting a carpet, you have no choice but to go a slightly darker color. So luckily when I went to AutoZone, they had this darker gray option, which I much rather prefer than having it completely solid black. And I also think, I strongly believe when I install it back tomorrow into the Mustang, it will look even better than before. So yeah, it's definitely, I think, the better option. Instead of paying 140 bucks for completely new carpet, you can just paint it by yourself. Get yourself 3 cans like that of the Duplicolor. Make sure it says vinyl and fabric, and yeah, do it by yourself on your driveway like I'm doing right now, and you'll be really happy with the results. So well, that was my mistake. The carpet, repainting and restoration was not going to be the only thing of this episode. I'm just gonna update you really quickly what's up with the interior and also the engine bay of the car, real quick. So yeah. So as you might know, if you followed Instagram, I have completed, I've finished cleaning the interior. It looks really good. It's in good shape actually. So I've been just, cleaning the engine bay real recently, and actually, as a matter of fact, I'm almost fully finished with cleaning the engine bay. So I'm just gonna really quickly show you how it's looking and what kind of some of the parts that need to be replaced before me and my father even attempt to start the engine. So as we can see, the engine is very clean, especially the 2 sides and also here. A number of the components like the radiator are gonna get removed. We need to clean the radiator. Also I cleaned the ventilator, the fan, whatever you call it. Here we can see the radiator coolant reservoir, and I've just been cleaning them. So a few of the components are currently not in the car, as you can see, but everything is clean except for this area around here. So I've still need to clean some of these hoses, the distributor and the coil here, but everything else is already clean and it's looking really good. So but before we even think about starting the engine, a number of things need to be done. Firstly, as we can see, this pulley and also this one need to be replaced before anything else happens. As well as this, the water pump is completely fucked. It's actually broken, it's not moving. It's meant to move like these a little bit so you can test it out. So new water pump is arriving, I don't know, I think it's tomorrow or so. So that needs to be replaced. Also, this pulley is completely rusted, like the bearing is like completely, I'm not even joking, like I'm not sure if you can see it. So that's gonna get replaced. Also, I recently found out that this pulley here, they don't actually sell anymore. So definitely next time I visit the junkyard, I'm gonna get myself a spare one if they have it. So yeah. Also, I'm a bit concerned about this area here. There was some all this was covered in power steering fluid, so there could be a leak somewhere, so I might have to change the power steering pump as well. We will see. So that's for the engine bay. I'll just quickly show you what's up with the interior and wrap up this video. So as we can see now, the interior is fully clean. What I need to do first of all is get myself either a new upholstery for the front seats or new seats on a good deal. That's one thing that needs to happen. Also, I need to replace the seat belts if I can find them on junk, because these are quite worn out, as you can see. Also today the two new these panels arrived, so yeah, I got them for like 20 bucks each, and then they look really good, so that definitely, I had to replace them. The old ones were really bad, so that's what's up. And then also, really quickly, I'm just gonna show you basically what I need to do is replace this part. Like, I'm gonna get a leather one, a new shift knob, and a short throw shifter, of course, and a radio. But those things will all pretty much happen once everything else is finished, because they're just the final touches to what's gonna make my Mustang look sick, the way I want it to be. So everything else, yeah, both door panels were replaced, and that's pretty much all there is to the interior. And yeah, that's what's up. And I'm gonna, like I said, as well as that, we also need to replace the fuel pump with my father. If you switch on the key, it's not, you don't hear the fuel pump, so that needs to get changed as well. Also, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the gas tank, empty it, clean it, and fill it with just a little bit of new gas, because I mean, it's 4 years of gas just sitting there, so that's what's gonna happen. And yeah, those are just some of the things that need to happen. Also, the belt will be replaced, including those pulleys.